Hi everybody, it's Charisma of Charisma's Corner and we are in the Little Pink Barn today and we are working on Dazzle Month 3 and it's a lot of half square triangles, stitch and flip, but it's so great. It's these blocks right here in the middle that form the center piece of the Dazzle quilt, and we are using the fabric called Vibe by QT Fabrics. It's a new basics and it is so beautiful. It has all sorts of different colors within the color range of whatever the color is. This is like an orange, gold orange color. And we have sort of an aqua color here, but it has touches of mint and blue. Everyone is just so beautiful. It adds just enough texture, but it could read as a solid, which are my favorite kinds of basics. Obviously, you know I love working with solids and basics. So let's get started on month 3. We are going to start with half square triangles, which we all know we're going to start with this first unit here. And in fact, we need 4 of these units, but one of the units was a little bit different than the others, because if you see on the pattern, we have these 4 blocks on point, and all of them have the dark blue cornerstones here, but in the center, 2 of them have this light blue. And so I'm going to go ahead and show you the unit that you have to make that has that light blue color in there, just so that you remember when you're sewing these units together that you do have 2 of them that have a different blue in there. So I don't want you to forget that and have to rip a block out. So we're going to do the special one just for that reason. So I'm going to go ahead. I have my white and my dark teal color here. I have the line marked already, and I'm going to sew on both sides of that marked line and then cut my half square triangles. Now I have my half square triangles and I'm going to go ahead and press those, and I'll press them to the dark. Okay, and now we're just going to lay those out so we know how to sew our unit together. And here we are. So now I'll just sew those together. Okay, and now I have this one done, and then that's my middle square, so I have that one done there. And now we have to work on these side units, which are in reverse. So I have 3 of them done for each side, and so now I have the other 2 here. And it just helps me if I lay everything out the correct way so that I keep them in order and I don't get mixed up. So my lines are already marked, and all I do is stitch right on the line that I've marked there. Okay, now when I lay these, I just have to make sure that the lines are going the same way. And then I'll know I'm correct. So then again, I'll just sew directly on the line that I have marked. Lay out your block. You want to make sure that that light blue corner is in the outside corner. Okay, and now we can start sewing all of our units together. So I'm going to start with sewing these 2 middle pieces together on all the sides. Okay, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to iron the 2 seams to the middle, and then I'll iron the 2 seams to the outer blocks here so that they'll nestle together when I sew the rows. And you can feel free to pin these. Okay, and here is our star block for month 3 of Dazzle using QT's new basics called Vibe. I cannot wait to see you for block number 4. That means we'll be almost halfway through. And I would love for you to share your projects, hashtag Charisma's Corner, or you can tag me at Charisma Horton. And until next time, I hope you're dazzled. Bye.